Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alexander, your online business English coach. Today, we'll look at the fascinating business empire of Donald Trump. Along the way, you'll learn some useful business English phrases and vocabulary. So let's get started. Donald Trump is a household name, known for his success in real estate, media, and of course, politics. But before he was a politician, Trump built a vast business empire. Today, we'll focus on key aspects of his business career, and I'll introduce you to some important business English vocabulary. Let's start with real estate, one of the main sectors where Trump made his fortune. Real estate refers to property, especially land and buildings. Trump's business journey began in the 1970s when he took over his father's real estate company, which dealt with residential properties. He then shifted his focus to commercial real estate, such as office buildings, hotels, and luxury apartments. So what is important vocabulary? Real estate, that's a noun, it means property consisting of land or buildings. Residential is adjective, related to homes or private houses. And commercial real estate is also a noun, it means property used for business purposes like office space or hotels. One of Trump's most famous properties is Trump Tower, a 58-story skyscraper in Manhattan. This building helped solidify his reputation as a real estate tycoon. Tycoon is a very wealthy and influential business person. What are other important words? Skyscraper. Skyscraper is a very tall building of many stories. And a tycoon, as I said, is a powerful, successful business person, especially one in control of large organizations. In the 1980s and 90s, Trump diversified his business by expanding into the gaming industry. He opened several casinos in Atlantic City. However, this part of his business faced financial difficulties, and some of the casinos declared bankruptcy. When the business declares bankruptcy, it's saying it can't pay its debts. So, what is important vocabulary here? Diversify. It means to expand into different types of businesses or industries to reduce risks. Gaming industry, that's the business sector that involves gambling and casinos. And bankruptcy, a legal process where a company cannot pay its debts and seeks protection from creditors. Even though some ventures weren't successful, Trump remained a well-known figure in business thanks to his branding skills. He licensed his name to luxury products and businesses like Trump hotels, Trump golf courses, and even Trump steaks. Licensing is a key business term. It's when a company allows another to use its name or brand in exchange for a fee. What is important vocabulary? Luxury. It means expensive and of high quality. License. In this case, it's a verb. It means to give permission to use a product, name, or brand in exchange for payment. Trump also expanded into media. Many of you may know him from his TV show The Apprentice, where contestants competed in business challenges to win a job in Trump's organization. This show was a massive hit, and it helped further promote Trump's personal brand. Another important word is media, the communication outlets or tools used to store and deliver information or entertainment, and brand, a product or company name that is recognized by the public. Finally, let's not forget Trump's move into politics, where he used many of the skills he learned in business. He's often described as someone with a strong negotiation style. Negotiation is a process of discussing something to reach an agreement, which is essential in both business and politics. To sum up, Donald Trump's business career is a mix of real estate, media, luxury branding, and more. Whether you agree with his methods or not, there's a lot we can learn from his business strategies. And along the way, you pick up some valuable business English terms. If you enjoy learning about Trump's business empire and want more lessons on business English through real-world examples, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to check out our Instagram for daily business English tips. See you in the next video. Take care.